The humble exhaust manifold has a demanding job, getting hot combustion gases out of the engine and into the exhaust system. Extreme heat cycles can take their toll, creating cracks that eventually become dangerous exhaust leaks and failure points on emissions tests. Dorman offers the most comprehensive line of exhaust manifolds for the most popular vehicles in the market. Each manifold is manufactured to original equipment specifications for a perfect installation and reliable performance. Many newer vehicles' catalytic converters are integrated directly into the exhaust manifold. Dorman is the aftermarket leader in manifold converters, offering more CARB-compliant applications than the competition, each of which is legal in all 50 states. These replacements are certified to meet the highest emission standards with the CARB Executive Order right on the part. All of Dorman's exhaust manifolds include new gaskets and manifold-to-downpipe hardware to simplify installation. Conventional manifolds are backed by a lifetime warranty against defects, and our manifold converters are guaranteed for 5 years or 50,000 miles. Check dormanproducts.com to find the correct exhaust manifold application for your vehicle today.